Hi, it's Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. This morning we're going to be doing a little bit of a different one. It's going to be a hexagon, and this one is in all blue shades with a few interference colors just to spice it up a little bit. You will see that this painting actually is very reminiscent of a feather. Let me get down to the canvas and we'll see what we can come up with. Our pillow paint for today is Gliden Essentials in Eggshell. And our pouring medium is Vaspar Ultra and Varathane Polyurethane Triple Thick. Our colors today are Blue Eyes, Lakeside, Shelee's Masquerade Shimmer and Sapphire, Glisten, Macaw, and Gold Sparkle and Gold Interference, Phthalo Blue and Prussian Blue, and finally the cell activators are Payne's Gray and Titanium White. Is Prussian Blue. Is Phthalo Blue. Just a little bit so that it goes from point to point. I decide to make sure I get total coverage. This is an interference, glisten. Glistens down, now comes Blue Eyes. Down will be Lakeside. Order is Shelee's Masquerade Shimmer. Macaw. It's an interference green gold. up my palette knife and I'm going to swipe with the paint spray on the bottom and the titanium on top. Here now, and I'm going to make some modifications through the entire color layer. That pulls everything through and creates the feather effect. Get everything spread across the entire tile. About ready to spin. Not a hard spin, I just want to get some of the paint off and open up the cells a little bit. And we're taking just a little bit of a closer look at it. Time for the flyover. Okay, I'm back with the dry results, and I think it actually dried beautifully. You can see here, looking around the top, I got some absolutely stunning cells. Did actually get a bit of that feather or wing look that I was looking for. The cells throughout the bottom, actually throughout this entire piece, are really very nice. It's a very luminescent piece. You can't really see it at this point, but all of this white area throughout here and down here and up across here is the iridescent dual color. It actually has, depending on the light, will shine a different way. Once I resin this piece, you'll be able to see it a lot more. It's my goal with this one to actually mount it to a frame board for display with 4 others. So I'm really very happy with the way its final results on it. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up, smash the subscription button, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. My goal to put out 4 per week. Your help is really much more appreciated than I can say. The algorithm here on YouTube is all about the views and the amount of time that people view, and the subscription rate. Depends on where you place in the queue when you come onto the page or someone does a search. So it really does help. Have a wonderful day, and I'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye now.